Right, so yes, what we're doing is we're going to be testing a variety of different types of LEDs, okay? Just showing you how adaptive this circuit is on the micro scale, okay? We have all sorts of different LEDs, okay, to demonstrate, and they consume less powers as we go down, okay? So here's the and we see how fast that actually charges up. So what I've done is I've rigged it up. Okay, so when I basically press this button, the power goes into the circuit, powers the LED, charges that up instantaneously. And then what I do is I then switch it off. That isolates it from the battery because I've only got one hand, and then it's purely running from the capacitor. And we can see the different kind of run times. Okay, with this spectacular self-resonating circuit with the capacitor and the magic circuit in LED. Which is bloody grand. Okay, okay, let's do it now. Okay, so we're on. You see, and that's really fucking bright. As I said, obviously the phone can't actually demonstrate that. We can actually have that much brighter if we want by just reducing the resistance on the base of the transistor. Okay. But for this demonstration purposes, we're just using a fixed resistor at 10k so we can see it demonstrating, and so it doesn't absolutely completely blind me and blind the camera as well. Okay, so now this basically disconnects, switch this off so the battery is no longer connected, and we're basically purely running off that capacitor resonating in the circuit. Okay, and basically it kind of slowly dies down. It lasts a lot longer than the 100-watt LED, obviously, because it's a lower wattage. Okay, until it fades away. Okay, so let's get another LED on. Okay, I think we should get the next one. That's 20-watt one. This is a 10-watt. These are really good. Okay, it has loads of LEDs, but it's only 10-watt. Okay. So we'll get that one on. So 2 seconds while I do this. So it's still difficult with. It's best to do it with two hands, and it's a lot quicker. You know. There we go. Sure. There we go. There we are. And as I said. Basically, I made the lighting I installed. I ended up installing in the cottage, which they were using candles, man. Okay, so although they had a small solar panel and quite a dead car battery, with these things and adding some kind of resistors and diodes, I gave us some great lighting with two different light settings. But I'll tell you about that later. Let's get on with this. Okay. So on we go, straight on, really lovely and bright. Okay, this is half the wattage of the round ones. We're going to isolate it. Okay, so the battery is no longer connected. Okay, and we'll see how kind of this long lasts. Okay, see, lasting quite much longer, slowly fading away now. Okay, but as I said, this is amazing. This is just 1 joule of energy. Okay, so it's absolutely kind of phenomenal stuff, right? And it's the same kind of instant kind of charge of this capacitor all the kind of time. It's just I don't have two hands. So we'll get that one off. I said I really like these ones. I just wish they would have had like a big round one like that with all of those LEDs, because they do perform one of the best. Next one down is this 6-watt strip. Okay. So we'll get that rigged up. I'll end this one and continue with the next.